Laubog. Are you happy? Are you happy? Wow. What's that? Is it for you or for me? What's that? Wow! Wow! This is my food. This is your food.
Food.
Open the ano lang. Takbal. Chicken feet.
Boneless chicken feet.
Boneless. Wow. In Philippines, I never see. Milk lang.
Good.
Spicy.
Just how we eat chicken feet.
So pretty. Okay, yan. So, show them what we bought. In Daiso. Daiso. This is for our personal use and pasalubong. Oh, show me. Show them. Show them. First, pasalubong is, this is a spray, sun spray. Only 5,000 won. Yeonsoo's hat we bought for 3,000 won. Very cheap. 3,000 won. Yeonsoo's hat. And then my cover for phone. It's only 3,000 won. Cover for the phone. Magnetic. Shockproof. And for my cooking, it's a whisk, silicone whisk for only 2,001. I don't know, maybe it cannot focus, but 2,001. Ting 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 ting. Next is Appa short. It's XL for only 3,001. For Appa's Golf face cover, 3,001. Pasalubong. This is pasalubong. It's a shirt, exerciser, sports top. 3,001. Pasalubong for our Manu, Kuya Manu. It's only 3,001. It's a gun, Play-Doh. It's a toy gun. For my cooking, chopstick. So when you're cooking, use this. It's only 2,001. This is for Appa short. Again, 3,001. For Yeonsoo's chopstick, only 2,001. We will make him practice to use this one. Since Yeonsoo is a toddler now. Oh my God! Shucks. Your saliva is here. Ah! How can we give this? How can we give? No! It's a messy haul. Another short for 5,001. This is very comfortable for us. Oh, can you get the box, baby? Get the box. We will show them the box. Get that one. Oh, this is silicone bra. For only 5,000. Silicone bra. This is, I don't know how you call it in English, but it includes time. Let's get your toy. Pause. New. This is a phone holder. It's only 5,001. Yeah. Next. For cooking, 2001.
This is
For indigestion, right? Hi! Excuse me, thank you, Appa. This is my foundation. No. Yeah, seems like this one.
English.
It's a Tag Dewy Skin Cushion. I don't know. Yeah. Only pila. How much is this? 5,001. Next is mini fan for Yeonsoo. It's only 5,001. Pila, how much is 5,001? No. 200 pesos. Okay.
2,500 is 100.
Okay. So it's 200 pesos only. Amata because the currency is 25, right? Very cheap, but very sturdy. I don't know. Then our pasalubong, we have this. It's a cheek and lip. No, you cannot eat this one. Go Tapa. This is lip tint. This is only pila. Very cheap. This is 3,001. This one is 3,001. It's tint. Oh my God, Yeonsoo. And I bought. What else? Hey, did you? Wala, only two na panty. It's okay. Underwear, 2,000. It means 2,000 is less than 100 pesos each. But very good. This is seamless panty. And it's really good for you. Same. This is for pasalubong. That's pasalubong. He ate already. Sorry. Sorry for the one who will receive this. This one is same. Setting spray. Pasalubong. Same. Setting spray. Sun spray. 50 SPF plus PA++++. And more cheek and lip blush. So good. More. This is for my personal. The others are for me. Only 3,001 are this. So cheap. This is door stopper. For 1,001. Very cheap, right? I already made that. No more! And for that pasalubong and personal use, we spent pila. 124,000 pila. Just calculator lang. You do it 124,200 divided by 25. 5. Sorry!
125 is 4,000, diba?
Okay, almost 5,000 pesos. Almost, but see, pasalubong and then we use things for it. Finish with our messy Daiso haul. Bye-bye. You like it? Are we going home? Love. Oh, it's been a while that we walked together, eh? Only two of us. Let's sit down.
Okay.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, there's a big cowbell. Ding. 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 You know ka pa na. Car. Where's the car? Very good. That's a car. Yeonsoo.
Mantap aja.
Yeonsoo.
Wow. Love, all the tree that you saw here in Phoenix, all cherry blossom.
Wow.
Anything different.
Tapos. Yeonsoo. Bye-bye. Bye.
유튜브랑 뭐 틱톡 이런 거랑 다 이게
Okay na.
원하는 게 다르거든.
Thank you. We will put here because Yeonsoo is gonna. Then where I'm gonna dip this one then? I think we have to cut it, right?
Bite it.
Where should I dip it?
Just.
So good.
Drop something. What?
Portrait love. Let's try portrait. Portrait. Yum. So good. Love. Wow. The seasoning is good.
맛있다.
Right?
한국이니까 맛있겠지.
You're such a feeler, love. Wow. Your reaction is so... Okay, what's your reaction?
Reaction Italiano.
Bravo.
It's not Korean. It's Italian.
Yeonsoo!